Hi, it's me, the Bridge Fridge. You probably hate me. It's okay, I get it. I hate me too. But that's not why I'm here. I'm here to promote my Etsy shop, where I sell bejeweled water bottles with pictures of violent crimes happening at Disneyland. Whether you're a true crime lover or a Dis nerd, there's a bottle for you.
Hey man, I dropped my f***ing bridge!
Oh man, without this bridge, what is my identity now? Anyways, go to Etsy.com.
I made it, man!
Etsy.com/bridgefridge to buy your bottle today. Or you could just forget about me. Most people do.